Hey everyone, this is the second fan from my Habitat find. I've actually picked up both a Forever fan and this Emerson Legend II, which almost looks like somewhat resembles an Emerson Premium, but it also resembles an 1895. Notice the Casablanca shaped blades, but these also do remind me of a Hampton Bay. I think the Farmington is what has those same blade brackets there, you know, right on the blades where the blades mount. So, and it's got a K55 motor, so we're going to get the same speeds as any K55. Here's low. But this is also for sale, trade, or install, which I do for friends and family. Or for anybody in my area that wants an install of a good fan, I will help get a good fan, help them pick one out. This is available for that. Nice low speed. Here comes medium. Okay. Definitely a nice medium speed. All right. And definitely feeling air off of it already. Here's high. All right. Definitely get a lot of air off of this. Now I don't need to do reverse since we know what it does on reverse. It's got the same current draw and everything, so I'm just going to do spin down. Okay, it's definitely got a good spin down, so it's a nice fan. But as you can see, the blade arms I was showing before, they interlock with each other when you mount the blades. So they got like a little slot and a little tab so that, as you can see, they all interlock with each other, just like an Emerson Premium. Nice polished brass fan. Forgot to remove the price tag. Hopefully that don't. Okay. Well, that is all for the Emerson Legend II. Just like an Emerson Legend I, which is that little white one I got, and my other polished brass Emerson Legend. But this is a II, and that's what makes this a II, the interlocking blade arms. But other than that, thanks for watching.